Hai, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Hari ni bertemu lagi dengan Teacher Mashi Rosli. Teacher akan continue dengan chapter 6.5, double angle formula. Okay, let's start. So, this is a double angle formula. You can refer to page 218, how to derive the double angle formula. So the angle formula is the one that I circle with a red pen. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. So we have sums 5 of the double angle formula. So you can refer from your textbook, page 218. Okay, so as a summary, we can say that we have about 5 double angle formula. Sine family, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a, and cos family, cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a, and so on. And also family of tangent. So we have 3 groups of double angle formula. So we need to use this in order to solve the questions. Okay, let's start. Okay, for example 24, find the value of each of the following expressions using the double angle formula, then verify the answer obtained with a calculator. Okay, so we need to derive it. Okay, I start with A first. Okay, 2 sine 15 cos 15. First of all, we can see that they have the same angle. So we can denote it as a value or theta. Okay, so 2 sine A cos A. So we refer to our double angle formula. We can see that this is the answer for formula sine 2A. So we just put sine 2, substitute A is a 15. So sine 2 times 15 is a 30. So refer to the special angle, sine 30 is equal to 1/2. You can use your calculator. Okay, how about B? Cos square 22.5 degree minus sine square 22.5 degree. So we just denote 22.5 degree as a, and this one is A. So refer to your double angle formula. We can find from cos to A. So cos square 22.5 minus sine square 22.5 is actually equal to cos 2A. So we just substitute A. 2A is a 22.5. So 2 times 22.5. So it costs us is cos 45. Refer to the special angle. Cos 45 is a square root of 2/2, or you can give your answer in decimal. So the answer is 0.7071. Okay, how about C? Okay, 2 tangent 75 divided by 1 minus tangent square 75 degree. So we denote 75 as a A. So this one is A. So we refer to the family of tangent for double angle formula. It shows that tangent to A. Tangent to A. So substitute A. 2 bracket A is a 75. So it is a tangent 150. So 150 doesn't exist in special angle. So we refer to our drawing. 150 at the second quadrant. So this is 150. So we need to find the reference angle here, alpha. So alpha is about 180 minus 150. So it is a 30, right? So because of this is second quadrant, okay, refresh back. All science teachers cute. So in a quadrant 2, only sign is positive. If tangent here, so it is a negative. So negative tangent, how about reference? 30, right? So 30 is a special angle. Negative tan 30 is equal to negative 1 over square root of 3. So use decimal, you can find by using decimal also. So negative 1 square root of 3 is equal to negative 0.5774. Okay, clear? Next, we want to use double angle formula in proving trigonometric identities. Alright, okay, so for example 25, prove the following identities. So the concept of proof, you need to choose the complex one. So for A, questions A, cosec 2A is equal to 1 over 2 sec A cosec A. So for this question, we know that the complex one is a cosec 2A. We take the basic one lah. So we just for A, okay, cosec 2A is equal to 1 over 2 sec A cosec A. So left hand side, we choose cosec 2A. Okay, cosec 2A, we need to go back or refer to the basic identities of reciprocal of cosec. So cosec is a 1 over sine 2A. Teacher denote here is refer to basic identities of cosec A is 1 over sine A. Okay, even though it's a double angle to A, so we still can use the reciprocal of the cosec. Okay, this one. Okay, so next, cosec to A is 1 over sine to A. So sine to A, you refer back to the double, to the double angle. So sine to A is a 1 over 2 sine A cos A. Okay, clear? Okay, so kita pecahkan dia. So 1 over 2. Okay, bracket 1 over sine A cos A. So at this point, you need to refer to basic identities also. Reciprocal of sine and cos. So 1 over sine theta is a cosec A. And also 1 over cos A is a sec A. Okay. So teacher tulis kat sini jawapan dia. Okay. So 1 over 2. What? 1 over sine. Kita refer to the answer on the right hand side. Second A, right? So we just put second first. Sec A. Cosec A. Tara! So proven to the right hand side. Okay? Okay, next, for B, cos theta minus sin theta is equal to cos 2 theta over cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, so for this question, the complex one is on the right hand side. So we choose right hand side, okay? Okay, so from right hand side, cos 2 theta over cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, so now we need to refer double angle. Cos 2 theta, we can choose what? Cos square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, cos square theta minus sin square theta over cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, so now at this point we have a denominator, so we can conjugate it. Senang je kita conjugate sahaja. Conjugate dia mesti terbalik So from the denominator, kalau this one is cos theta plus sin theta, so the conjugate is a cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Right. Okay, so we start to multiply it. Okay, so cos, put in a bracket, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so at this point, kita guna, okay, cos theta times this one times this one times this one like this. Okay, so over, okay, kita start direct. Cos theta times cos theta is a cos square theta. Cos plus minus, minus cos theta sin theta, plus, plus, plus. Okay, this one sin cos, kita refer the first one, cos theta sin theta, plus minus is minus sin square theta. Okay, tarik panjang sikit, like this. Okay, so kita simplify cos theta sin theta minus, so this one cancel. So kita akan dapat cos square theta minus sin square theta bracket with cos theta minus sin theta over cos square theta minus sin square theta. So we can simplify it. We can cancel this one and this one. So lastly, we get cos theta minus sin theta. Sama tak dengan right hand side? Sama kan? So, hashtag proven. Yeay, dapat. Okay, class. Other formula involving double angle can be derived by induction. For example, if we know before this, if cos 2a is equal to 2 cos 2a minus 1, double angle, okay? But what is formula if teacher change 2a become 4a? So we double it, right? So it will change it into this one. So this one becomes still 2, but here the double angle here is become 2a minus 1. We will change at this part only. Because of double angle, right? So we need to change the angle. Okay? By using the similar method, it is found that if teacher want to find cos A only, so I need to divide the first one, the earlier part of double angle, this one refer to this. So cos square A divide by 2, half of it, minus 1. Okay, you need to refer like this. Okay, this relation can be used to prove half angle formula where sin A over 2 is actually plus minus square roots of 1 minus cos A over 2 and also cos A over 2 tangent A over 2. Expressed in terms of sin A and cos A as stated like this. Okay, so this one you need to refer, like if you want to remember it, it's good, it's very good for you. Okay, but if you don't want, you can create by yourself by using the first one, the actual double angle formula. Okay, so let's we look for the example. Okay, class, go. Let's go. Okay, so this is the example of 26. we need to prove the tangent x over 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x over sin x. So tangent x over 2, this is a half angle formula. So from this, we need to find the complex one, the more complex. So we found that the right hand side is more complex. So we use the right hand side. Okay, right hand side. Okay, 1 minus cos x over sin x. Okay, so 1 minus cos x. Okay, cos x refer to the formula. For the single formula, cos x is this one. Cos x is a cos square a over 2 minus sin square a over 2, or cos x also can found by 2 cos square a over 2 minus 1, or cos x also can found by 1 minus 2 sin square a over 2. Okay, now you need to choose which one that you want. Okay, from these three formula, we found that this one is more suitable. Sebab apa? Sebab it only has sin, so we can divide by sin x from here. So I choose the third one. Okay, I'm choosing the third one. Okay, so now kita substitute saja 1 minus bracket 1 minus 2 sin square x over 2 close the bracket over sin x. Okay, simplify it. 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 2 sin square x over 2 over sin x. 1 1's cancel. So 2 sin square x over 2 over sin x. Okay, so at this time, we need to replace sin x. Refer balik sin x dekat from previous slide. Sin x is what? 2 sin x over 2 cos x over 2. Okay, kita refer balik. So I just write back this one. Okay, 2 sin square x over 2 over, okay, over sin x. Okay, kita replace back sin x is equal to 2 sin x over 2 cos x over 2. So kita substitute kat dalam ni So it's become 2 sin 2x over 2 over 2 sin x over 2 cos x over 2. So this one we can cancel. Sin x, this one cancel. So it's become sin x over 2 over cos x over 2. So sin and cos is a basic identities. Refer to basic identities. Tangent theta is a sin theta over cos theta. So the answer is a tangent x over 2. Sama tak dengan left hand side? Sama kan? So hashtag proven. Okay, so end of our session today. Teacher want you to continue with self-exercise 6.9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bye class. Thank you.
Dah, kat balik.